Example: use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number patterns. Serial number expression terms, that is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, dash dash dash, tenth, dash dash dash, hundredth, dash dash dash. Coming to first expression, 2n minus 1. When n is equal to 1, we will get first term. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1, that is 1. When n is equal to 2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, that is 3. Second term we will get 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, we will get 5. Third term 4 into 2, 8 minus 1, we will get seventh term. 5 into 2, 10 minus 1, we will get 9, fifth term. 10 into 2, 20 minus 1, that is 19, you will get 10th term. 2 into 100, 200 minus 1, 199, that is 100th term. Second one, 3n plus 2. When n is equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5 will get first term. When n is equal to 2, 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8 will get second term. When n is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9 plus 2, 11 will get. When n is equal to 4, 12 plus 2, 14. When n is equal to 5, 5 into 3, 15 plus 2, 17. When n is equal to 10, 30 plus 2, 32. When n is equal to 100, 3 into 100, 300 plus 2, 302. Third expression, 4n plus 1. For n is equal to 1, 4 into 1, 4 plus 1, 5, we will get first term. For n is equal to 2, 4 into 2, 8 plus 1, 9. For n is equal to 3, 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. When n is equal to 4, 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 17. When n is equal to 5, 20 plus 1, 21. When n is equal to 10, 40 plus 1, 41. When n is equal to 100, 4 into 100, 400 plus 1, 401. Fourth expression, 7n plus 20. When n is equal to 1, 7 into 1, 7 plus 20, 27. When n is equal to 2, 14 plus 20, 34. When n is equal to 3, 21 plus 20, 41. When n is equal to 4, 28 plus 20, 48. When n is equal to 5, 35 plus 20, 55. When n is equal to 100, 700 plus 20, 720. That is 100 ton. Next expression, that is n square plus 1. When n is equal to 1, 1 square plus 1 will get 1 plus 1, that is 2, first term. When n is equal to 2, 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, that is 5. For n is equal to 3, 3 square plus 1, that is 9 plus 1, 10. When n is equal to 4, 4 square, 16 plus 1, that is 17. When n is equal to 5, 5 square plus 1, that is 25 plus 1, 26. When n is equal to 100, square of 100, that is 10,000, plus 1, 10,001. PQRS is a parallelogram. QM is the height from Q to SR, and QN is the height from Q to PS. If SR is equal to 12 centimeter and QM is equal to 7.6 centimeter, find A, the area of the parallelogram PQRS, B, QN if PS is equal to 8 centimeter. Solution. Area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to base, that is SR, into height QM is equal to 12 centimeter into QM is 7.6 centimeter is equal to 91.2 square centimeter. B. Since area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to 91.2 square centimeter. Therefore, now we can consider PS as a base and Q1 as a altitude. That is PS into Q1 is equal to 91.2 square centimeter. Implies Q1 is equal to 91.2 square centimeter divided by PS is equal to 91.2 square centimeter divided by what is PS? 8 centimeter. 1 centimeter we can cancel with 1 centimeter is equal to 91.2 divided by 8. 11.4 centimeter. Next example. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular to BC. If AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC is equal to 13 centimeter, and AC is equal to 12 centimeter, find the area of triangle ABC. Also, find the length of AD. Solution. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2 into AC we can consider as base and altitude will be AB. This is equal to 1/2 into 12 into 5 square centimeter is equal to 30 square centimeter. This implies half of, that is area of triangle ABC. BC as the base and AD as the altitude is equal to 30 square centimeter. This implies 1/2 into what is BC? 13 centimeter into AD is equal to 30 square centimeter. This implies AD is equal to 30 into 2 divided by 13 square centimeter divided by centimeter is equal to 60 by 13 centimeter. Next example, triangle ABC is isosceles with AB is equal to AC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and BC is equal to 9 centimeter. The height AD from A to BC is 6 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. What will be the height from C to AB, that is C? Solution. Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base BC into altitude AD is equal to 1 by 2 into 9 into 6 square centimeter is equal to 9 into 3, 27 square centimeter. This implies again area of triangle ABC by taking AB as base and C as altitude. 1 by 2 into AB into C is equal to 27 square centimeter. This implies one by 2 into, what is the value of AB? 7.5 centimeter into C is equal to 27 square centimeter. This implies C is equal to 27 into 2 by cross multiplication divided by 7.5 centimeter is equal to 27 into 2 divided by 75 when you remove decimal. So here multiply by 10 centimeter five twos are 10, 15 are 75, 3 5 are 9 are, that is equal to 36 divided by 5 centimeter is equal to 7.2 centimeter. Next example, a garden is 90 meter long and 75-meter broad. A path 5-meter wide is to be built outside and around it. Find the area of the path. Also find the area of the garden. Solution. Let ABCD be the rectangular garden and shaded portion represents the path around it as shown in figure. Since length of rectangular park is 90 meter and breadth 75 meter, width 5 meter, this side 5 meter, this side 5 meter. So length of PQ is going to become 100 meter. Similarly, 5 meter plus 5 meter, 10 plus 75, QR we are going to get 85 meter. Area of rectangular garden is equal to 90 into 75 square meter is equal to 6,750 square meter. Since 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 square meter, therefore area of rectangular park is equal to 6,750 divided by 10,000 hectare is equal to 0.675 hectare. Area of rectangle PQRS is equal to 100 into 85 square meter is equal to 8,400 square meter. Therefore, area of the path around the garden is equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. Area of the path is equal to area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD. This is equal to 8,400 minus 6,750 square meter is equal to 1,750 square meter.